Wow, do you love it? Do you love it, Dallin?
Yeah.
What did you get?
I get bracelets.
Wow.
Mama, get it for me.
Grandma, get it for you. Oh.
Are they so soft?
Yeah.
And look, Grandma worked so hard to put a pretty frill on the edge of it. Is it so beautiful, Jocelyn?
Mommy, just open this. Daddy, I
Is
can
it
open
for
it.
your babies?
Should we pull something else out? This big, huge package. What is that?
Oh, it's full.
Oh, proclamation to the world. The living Christ.
Oh, baby bottles.
Jocelyn, baby bottles.
Hey, Dal, let's not make a mess.
I can look at the baby. I'm going to wait back. Baby, stand, okay? Baby, you need to get on that nice place.
Still called
Good
peanuts.
night.
You want some peanuts?
Dada. Some real ones?
Some real ones for us to eat, Dallin. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Wow, Relief Society cookbook.
Is this mine?
The 2008
No, that's for
version.
Mom. I don't know.
I remember one coming out
What's that?
It's
2
jelly.
years ago.
Where's God when I'm scared?
It's so cool. What's what? Bottles for babies. And basket.
What is it, Dallin?
It's the Speed Racer cars. Now he's got a couple more.
Mama,
That's awesome.
open it, Mama.
Wow.
Is that awesome, son?
Speed Racer car.
Nice.
Holy Toledo.
Mama.
Dallin.
What?
Whoops. Falling out there.
Veggie Tales.
Veggie
What do you think, Jocelyn? Can you come up here and get some out?
Can you find
Come
some
right here,
treasures?
Josh. Dallin, get some more things out. He wants to play with his cars.
I do.
Oh, what is that? What is that? Thank you, Graham Cracker.
Graham Cracker.
Josh on the big wall.
This is for the baby. For the baby.
Yeah, that's right. Did your grandma take care of your baby?
Open them.
Let's see, what else did she get you? Something else?
Cute.